Hi everyone! Welcome to lesson 2 of this math tutorial series. Today we will be introducing divisibility rules. Let's begin! When is a number divisible? A number is divisible when you get a remainder of 0 after dividing it by a counting number. For example, let's see if 8 is divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Since the remainder is 0, we say that 8 is divisible by 2. For our next example, let's see if 53 is divisible by 4. Starting from the tens digit, dividing 5 by 4, you'll get 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 3. 13 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. Since the remainder is not 0, 53 is not divisible by 4. For our third and last example, let's see if 6,183 is divisible by 9. Since 6 is less than 9, we will be including the number in the next place value, which is 1. So 61 divided by 9 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 61 minus 54 is 7. Bring down 8. 78 divided by 9 equals 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. 78 minus 72 equals 6. Bring down 3. 63 divided by 9 gives you 7. 7 times 9 equals 63. 63 minus 63 is equal to 0. Since the remainder is 0, 6,183 is divisible by 9. Through our examples, we saw that we can use manual division to test if a number is divisible or not. Knowing that, why should we still discuss divisibility rules? The reason is quite obvious. As we saw in our examples, manual division is very time-consuming. So in the next tutorial, we will finally discuss the divisibility rules for some numbers. That's all for today! If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and you may also consider subscribing to our channel so that you will be updated when we upload a new tutorial. Thank you for your support and see you on the next video!